Hi everyone. This video is going to show you how to forward your Manville Gmail to your Baker Center email. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Gmail. Once you're in your Manville Gmail, you are going to select the gears bar, which is the settings. After you select that, you're going to click See All Settings. Once you're in your settings tab of your Gmail, you're going to locate where it says forwarding. After you click forwarding, you're going to click add a forwarding address. In this box, you're going to type your Baker Center email, and then you'll proceed. Next, it's going to say that it has sent a confirmation code to your email. So you're going to look back into your Baker Center email, and in that email, you're going to see it will say forwarding confirmation, and there it will give you a confirmation code. What I am doing is I am copying and pasting that code, and I'm going to paste it here in this verification box and verify. From there, I'm going to change some settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click forward a copy of my incoming mail to my Baker Center. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mark the Manville Schools copy as read. Now you're all set. So any emails that you get to your Manville Gmail will now be forwarded to your Baker Center email. Please reach out if you have any questions or need any support with setting this up.